I'll guide you through how to upload project on GitHub. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Begin by opening a new tab in Google Chrome and visiting github.com. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If not, you can easily sign up with your email. Once logged in, click your profile picture in the top right corner and select your repositories from the drop-down menu. On the repositories page, click the green New button to create a new repository. You'll be directed to a form where you need to enter your repository name, add an optional description, choose whether it will be public or private, and decide if you'd like to include a README file. After completing the form, scroll down and click Create Repository. You'll be taken to your new repository page. To upload your project files, click the Add File button and select Upload Files. You can either drag and drop your files and folders directly into the page or click Choose Your Files to upload them manually. Once your files are uploaded, scroll down and click Commit Changes. Your project is now successfully uploaded.